Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Auzubillahi minasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Masya-Allah, tabarakallah, alhamdulillah. Now let's discuss applications of differentiation. So, water storage tank ABCDEFGH is a part of an inverted right square base pyramid as shown in the diagram below. So the complete pyramid or ABCD has a square base of side 15 meter and height 18 meter. The depth of the water tank is 12 meter. Water is pumped into the tank at the constant rate of 1 to 2 meter cube per minute. Okay, based on the information here, so we have the square base of the side 15 meter and the total height of the complete pyramid is 18 meter, but the depth of the water tank is 12 meter. Show that the volume of water V meter cube when the depth of water in the tank is H meter is given by volume is equal to 25 to 108 H in the bracket H square plus 18 H plus 108. B. Find the rate at which the depth is increasing at the moment when the depth of water is 8 meter. C. Calculate the time taken to fill up the tank if initially the tank is empty. Application of differentiation. Let me take a look at the first question, where the first question is show that the volume of water V meter cube when the depth of water in the tank is H meter is given by V equal to 25 to 108 H multiplied with H square plus 18 H plus 108. So we solve this question can be solved by two methods. So let me go through method by method. So this is the solution for the first method, where for the first method we need to find the volume of square base pyramid, where the volume of square base pyramid is given by the formula 1/3 multiplied with area of base multiply with the height of the pyramid. So based on the diagram, area of base is 15 multiplied with 15, where the square side is equal to 50 meter. And the height of the total pyramid here is equal to the complete pyramid. The total height is 12 plus with 6, which is equal to 18. Therefore, the volume of square base pyramid is equal to 1350 or 1350 meter cube. So, in order to find the volume of water when the depth of water in the tank is H meter, so we use the relation where volume of the water in the tank is directly proportional to the depth of water when the depth of water is H meter. We know, so therefore, by using these relations, so the ratio of the H plus 6, where 6 is the height below the water tank until the vertex of the pyramid. So H plus 6 to 18 is the total height of the complete pyramid. So this ratio cube minus take away the ratio of the pyramid below the water tank with the height of 6 to 8 cube. Multiply with the total volume of the complete pyramid, which is given by 1350. So, based on this expression, we have a common factor of 1 to 18 cube. Therefore, we can take out the common factor. So, the expression becomes 1350 to 18 cube multiply with in the bracket h plus 6 cube minus 6 cube. By simplifying 1350 to 18 cube, we have 25 to 108. Multiply in the bracket h plus 6 cube minus 6 cube. So then, we need to expand h plus 6 cube. So by using the application of the binomial expansion, we know that h plus 6 to the power of 0 it is equal to 1. H plus 6 to the power of 1 is equal to h plus 6. When h plus 6 square, it is equal to h square, the third term is 6 square, and the middle term is coefficient of 1 plus 1 become 2 multiply with h 6. H plus 6 cube, so we have h cube, 6 cube. The coefficient for the first and second term on the previous line is equal to 1 plus 2, so we have 3. So h with the highest power is h square, 6 with the highest power is 6 to the power of 1. And then the third term, we need to refer to the third term and the second term on the previous line, which is the coefficient is 2 and 1, so we plus, we become 3. The highest power of h is h to the power of 1, the highest power of 6 is 6 square. Therefore, we have h plus 6 cube is equal to h cube plus 18h square plus 6 square is equal to 36 multiplied with 3 is equal to 108h plus 6 cube. So this value this expansion is known to be specifically known as Pascal's triangle. So then this value of h plus 6 cube we sub into here. So then by simplifying the expression in the bracket, we have h cube plus 18h square plus 108h. By taking out the common factor, so we have 25 to 108 h multiplied with h square plus 18h plus 108. Hence, it is shown that V is equal to 25 to 108h multiply in the bracket h square plus 18h plus 108. That is the answer by using first method. So now let we solve this question by the second method. Where for second method, we need to cut this pyramid and comes out with its cross section. So the cross section with the one side is 15 meter. So this is the cross section of the complete square base pyramid. And this height is 12 meter. And this is 6 meter. So here we have h meter of represented by the height of the water in the tank. Therefore, this side is equal to 12 minus h meter. And this length is 6 meter. So based on these cross sections of the square base pyramids, so in order to find the volume, so we can apply the rule of the similar triangle, where if we here we have, let's say we label the point on the triangle. Let's say this is point P, point Q, point R, point S, point T, point U, and point O. So based on this cross section, OTU is a similar triangle with the triangle ORS, and also triangle OTU is a similar triangle with triangle OPQ. Or we can say ORS is a similar triangle with the triangle OPQ, and etc. So based on the similar triangle rules, its corresponding side will always in proportion. So to know detail about the similar triangle, I will share the link of the video explain detail about similar triangle, congruent triangle in the description below. So based on rules of the similar triangle, so let we find a corresponding ratio, corresponding side with its in the proportion will always its corresponding side will always in proportion, where x to 15 is equal to 6 is corresponding side, corresponding proportion. 6 to total height of the total pyramid is given by 12 plus 6, where when we simplify, this equation become x to 15 to 6 to 18. Therefore, x is equal to 1/3 times with 15 give us x is equal to 5. Now, when we take y, we compare with the total pyramid, which is the side is 15. Then we need to take the side which is corresponding is proportion is h plus 6, with the total height of the pyramid is 12 plus 6. So by simplifying this equation, given us y is equal to h plus 6 to 18 multiply with 50. So therefore, y is equal to 5 to 6 multiply with h plus 6. Therefore, the relationship that we have just now is x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 to 6 multiply with h plus 6. So, volume of water when the depth of water in the tank in h meter is equal to V, which is equal to, let's say we labeling our pyramid that is the point I, point J, point K, and point L. So volume of water when the depth of water in the tank is H meter is equal to V, where we need to find the volume of the pyramid IJKL, or take away the volume of the pyramid of EFGHO. Okay, I repeat. Volume of water when the depth of water in the tank is H meter is equal to volume V, which is equal to volume of the pyramid IJKLO. Take away the volume of the pyramid EFGHO. So V is equal to volume of the pyramid IJKLO is equal to 1/3 multiply with the base, the area of the base, where the base is the area is given by y square, where the side of the base is equal to y, time with its height, which is equal to h plus 6. Take away the volume of the pyramid of EFGH, where it is equal to 1/3 multiply with the base area where the side is equal to x, so therefore the area is equal to x square, time with the height is 6. So we know that y is equal to 5 to 6 h plus 6. Then we sub into the expression. So we have 5 to 6 multiplied with h plus 6. And we also know that x is equal to 5. Then we sub x equal to 5 here. So we have the expression v is equal to 1/3 5 to 6 h plus 6 square times h plus 6 minus 1/3 times 5 square times 6. So by taking out the common factor on the both term, which is 1 to 3rd, and both term also have a common factor of 5 square, we take it out. And then here I take out the 6 square to simplify the term in the bracket later. Therefore, I need to multiply 6 square on the second term. Then 6 square I need to multiply with 6. Where because 1/3 and 5 square is already taken out as a common factor for the both sides. So the first term remain h plus 6 square times h plus 6 in the bracket. So in order to get h plus 6 cube, we know our previous solution that by using a Pascal triangles, h plus 6 cube is equal to h cube plus 18h square plus 108h plus 6 cube. So we sub this value into the expansions of h plus 6 cube in the equation. Therefore, we have h cube plus 18h square plus 108h plus 6 cube minus with 6 square plus times 6. So we simplify 6 square times 6, we have 6 cube. And then we simplify 1/3 times 5 square to 6 square. It is equal to 25 to 108. By simplifying the expression in the bracket, giving us h cube plus 18h square plus 108h. By taking out the common factor h, So V is equal to 25 to 108 H in the bracket H square plus 18H plus 108. Therefore, or hence, it is shown that the V or volume of water when the depth of water in the tank is H meter is given by V equal to 25 to 108 H multiplied in the bracket H square plus 18H plus 108. Now, second question, find the rate at which the depth is increasing at the moment when the depth of water is 8 meters. Info given. Water is pumped into the tank at the constant rate of 1 to 2 meter cube per minute. So this gives us the informations of dV dt is equal to 1 to 2 meter cube per minute. So from A, we know that V is proof equal to 25 to 108 H multiplied with in the bracket H square plus 18H plus 108. So we expand this expression. So we have V equal to 25 to 108 H cube plus 18H square plus 108 H. So by differentiate both sides with respect to H, giving us dV dH is equal to, then in the bracket when H cube we differentiate it with respect to H, we will have 3H squared. And the second term, 18H squared, when we differentiate it with respect to 8, we will have 36H. And when we differentiate 108H with respect to H, giving us 108. Thus, dV/dH is equal to 25 to 108 in the bracket 3H squared plus 36H plus 108. So, we are asked to find dH dt at the moment when H is equal to 8 meter, where dH dt is represent the rate of the depth. Okay. So, by using a change rule, dV/dH is equal to dV/dt times with dt/dH. Then, by sub the value of dV/dH, which is equal to 25 to 108 in the bracket 3H squared plus 36H plus 108. And sub the value of dV/dt, which is this is information given in the question, which is equal to 1 to 2. So then we need to sub the value where H is equal to 8 meter, because the question asks us to find the rate at which the depth is increasing at the moment when the depth of water is 8 meter. So by sub the value of H is equal to 8 into the expression, giving us the value is equal to 1225 to 9 or 1225 to 9. So by multiplying both sides of equation with dH dt and multiply both sides of equation with 9 to 1225, given us the answer dH dt is equal to 1 to 2 times with 9 to 1225. By simplifying the expression on the right hand side, we have 9 to 2450 meter per minute. third question, calculate the time taken to fill up the tank if initially the tank is empty. So info given. So water is pumped into the tank at the constant rate of 1 to 2 meter cube per minute, where we know that the volume to time taken is equal to 1 to 2. Because based on the unit itself given as this relation. So we need to find the volume, where we are given also the information that initially the tank is empty. Total height of the tank is, we know it is equal to 12 meter. Therefore, we need to sub the value of 12 into H in order to find the volume of the water tank when H is equal to 12. So volume of the tank is equal to 25 to 108 multiplied with H, which is 12, multiplied with, in the bracket we have H 12 square plus 18 multiplied with 12 plus with 108, giving us the volume is equal to 1300. Then we sub the value of volume equal to 1300 into the equation, given us 1300 to time taken is equal to 1 to 2. Then we need to multiply both sides of the equation with time taken, and also we need to multiply both sides of equation with 2. Therefore, we have time taken is equal to 1300 multiplied with 2. So we have the answer is 2600 minute. Then by simplify it's in terms of hours, so we have the answer is 43 and 1/3 hours to the time taken to fill up the tank if initially the tank is empty. Okay, that's all. Masya Allah, tabarakallah.